Hi guys, this is Kunal this side from Pitstop Delhi. Today we have a mighty Land Cruiser which has come all the way from Udaipur. It's a LC200 which we are converting it into a Land Cruiser 300 2025 model. Here are all the parts that we have come on display, and we are going to change the bumper, we're going to change the bonnet, the fenders, the lights, the tail lights, and the bumper and the boot area. So this car has a huge amount of customization that is required, and to top it all off, we need a perfect paint job which can only be achieved at Pitstop Delhi. So whenever a car comes for a conversion, what our trained technicians have to do is that the denting team has to fit all these panels before we do a complete paint job, because the fit and finish has to be perfect. So first we fit all of them together without applying the paint job, just to check the fit of the parts. And then after doing all of that, we dismantle them again, and then it goes through a paint job process where we also have to perfect the paint color. The paint is matched, and that is the reason why we are able to achieve a perfect finish on a car which we are trying to convert from an old 2015 model to a 2025 model. Why drive yesterday's design when your car has the soul of a legend? The LC200, renowned for power, reliability and endurance. But visually, it's living in the past. At Pitstop Delhi, we blend luxury with modern charisma, transforming your LC200 with a full LC300 conversion. Iconic capability meets current gen charisma. Because true luxury isn't about letting go, it's about evolving boldly. Still in love with your LC200? Don't sell it, revive it, reclaim the streets. Visit Pitstop Delhi for a LC300 upgrade and let your Land Cruiser command the respect it always was meant to.